Here we have all the ingredients. We have the oxtails, we have the onion, peppers, and garlic chopped, cayenne pepper, Sazon Goya, oregano, olive oil, garlic, bay leaves, pepper, salt, olives, cumin, cilantro, and the wine. Make sure all the dry ingredients are incorporated. Here's the seasoned oxtail in the pressure cooker. Medium heat. And I'll add 2 cups of water. It's been 15 minutes and this is what we have. Like I mentioned earlier, I did speed up the process by using the pressure cooker, but if you're not going to use one, it will probably take almost 2 hours. Here's the pan where we're going to slow cook the oxtail. I'm heating the pan and I'm adding olive oil. Adding the rest of the ingredients. Adding the oxtail. I'm also adding the tomato sauce that I did not mention earlier. Half a cup or 1 cup of the tomato sauce. As you stir fry, your experience, the aroma is undescribable. Add the wine. And the liquid remaining in the pressure cooker. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. I'm checking and it's been 20 minutes. I will leave it for another 10 minutes as the sauce will reduce.